Hi everyone, so today I have a very special announcement to make. This is a package from Beijing, China. I just received it yesterday and it is my acceptance letter to Peking University. Now I know you might be confused. Wait, Zhi Heng, aren't you applying to UK universities? And didn't you get a UCL offer? So why are you applying to Chinese universities? So it happened in March when I applied to Peking University because at that time I was still waiting for all my UK offers to come through. And that was a very difficult period because at the time I didn't receive an offer from UCL. So I was feeling very nervous about my future. But luckily everything turned out quite well. I received a UCL offer and later I realized I had been admitted to Peking University as well. So today it is about me unboxing my acceptance letter from the university. Previously I filmed a video in my Mandarin channel where I unboxed the letter right from scratch. If you're interested, you could check that out here. So the purpose of this video is I'm going to unbox this letter and tell you the terms of my offer. Maybe we could briefly talk about the choice between studying in China or in the UK. So let's do that. So this is the parcel I received and this is the code. I'm going to cover it. And from the International Students Division. Once you take out the content, there will be a sort of a folder. And this is the admission letter. It has 2 pages. One page in English and another page in Mandarin. So my course was Politics and Public Administration, and I was put into the School of Government in Peking University. Now, politics wasn't the first course which I applied to. My first course was economics, but I guess I didn't do so well in the mathematics section of my university entrance exam. Perhaps that's the reason that they didn't put me into the economics course. So I got an offer from the politics course. So right now my choice is probably between China or the UK. Now, for those of you who doesn't know what Peking University is, it is one of the most prestigious universities in China. The admission process is where you have to do a university entrance exam, and once you pass it, they are going to interview you. And once you pass that interview as well, you're going to know whether you get accepted or not. For a while, I thought it was quite a gruesome process. It was quite similar to Cambridge and Oxford, where you have multiple sessions to overcome before you get admitted. So that includes admission tests and interview. For those of you who wonder whether you could apply to Chinese universities with your A-level result, yes, that is possible, which was what I did. So right now, I got this offer from Beijing. Right now it's around mid-July and I have to attend universities in September. So we have 2 months to decide which university we want to attend. And we have to decide on that as early as possible because we want to apply for a student visa. So I'm feeling quite anxious right now because I still haven't decided which university I want to go. It could be in the UK, it could be in China, and the tuition fee difference is huge. So for Peking University, it's 26,000 Chinese yuan per year, and in UK it's over 34,000 pounds a year. So a huge difference for sure. But the only disappointing thing about this admissions letter is that I did not actually get my first choice, which was economics, which would have been great. So right now it was a very tough decision. And maybe in the next video, I'm going to have some sort of cost-benefit analysis as to whether to study in China or in the UK. But meanwhile, if you have any suggestions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. I really value your insights and your opinion on this matter. But right now, it's pretty much still undecided where to go. And it doesn't have to be China or the UK because I applied to other countries. Obviously, Singapore rejected me, so that's not a possible option. Oh, by the way, if you've watched my NUS reaction video, I did appeal for them to reconsider my application. Well, they still rejected me in the end, so that was quite disappointing. Yeah, but that's sort of everything I am facing right now. The cool thing about the way Chinese universities handle their admission, when they want to give you the offer letter, they send it out by mail, like physical mail. That's different from UK universities because for all of the universities in the UK, they will send you an online letter. So it's more sustainable this way. And I figured it isn't quite possible for UK universities to send out all of their admissions letter in physical form because, there are just so many applications in any given year. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you find this video interesting, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.